Crescent Road, Kingston 11, Jamaica. A M1 Garand rifle found in a church. Imagine that. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your favorite Jamaica. It's Rastafari from the Ateam. If it's your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, or you have not subscribed as yet, hit that red subscribe button, build up the Rastaman panel. When Shabba say a trailer load of gun want to come off, it appears that everything clear off a wharf, because even the church strap up, if you know for what it worth. A team of officers assigned to the St. Andrews Central Police Division has seized one M1 Garand rifle. This rifle contains 6 7.62 millimeter rounds on Crescent Road, Kingston 11, Jamaica. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are about 12:53 p.m. Middle day. Lawmen were in the area when a church was searched and this rifle was found. Why uno don't name it church? Because it's obvious a bad man church that during the search, the rifle was found in a room of the church wrapped in piece of clothing. No one was available in relations with the seizure, meaning nobody no get arrested. Investigations continue. Why? Why them no call in the pastor and ask him why him have a rifle in a him church? You can't tell me say the pastor don't know say one rifle in the church. Anybody name with they on the lease, the rental or ownership of the property should be responsible. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. The Hunts Bay Police Station are reporting that Kingston 11 is a little bit safer. It seems like one church down a Crescent Road had it in their mind that war might start soon. Cause the police them in our room find a M1 Garand rifle containing 6 7.62 millimeter rounds. A 60 caliber round them there. Them thing there don't rump. Them thing there make fatty get slim. Them thing there make you don't even need to go at gym. Them thing they remove parts. Me a talk about lick out lungs and heart. Me need una for make me know where M1 Garand rifle containing 6 7.62 round in the church. What it a do in a Kingston pan Crescent Road? Imagine the whole thing overload. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if you think of the pastor one or if you think of the choir leader one. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman.
Man, a deep roots, man. A whole junker there. Fly them, sitting here, fly. Yeah. Deep roots.